Hey there everyone, welcome back to another SamuelsViews production. And on tap for today, we are going to have the skin for my DJI Phantom 3 Standard. Yes guys, I went ahead and I purchased one, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. You know, as you see, I stripped down my bird and everything already, so it's good to go. You know, I did this off, you know, ripped off the little red stickers that was on there, took off the little DJI symbol, and I'm going to go ahead and personalize it. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to show you this skin, and as you can see, I have my whole setup. I got 3 of the 4 batteries, I have my controller here, and I have my my bird. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how this goes on, guys. So I went ahead, was on eBay, you know, came across it, and just went ahead and decided, you know, it's time to customize my baby. This is from Mighty Skins. This comes from Mighty Skins, and it's going to be for the bird and it's going to be for the controller. And there's also for 3 batteries. There's for 3 of the batteries. There was 1, 2, 3, you know, and the rest is for here goes the controller, here goes for the bird. You know, as you can see, just fit on or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this on for you today. And as you see, it's the Rasta flag. You see it, people? First step you're gonna want to do is you are gonna want to go ahead and get yourself a rag. I went ahead and I wet mine a little bit. I wet it a little bit, and I have a dry one, because you do want to go ahead and wipe off your machine to make sure there's no dirt, particles, you know, dust, anything left behind. So when you are installing the skin, you know, it goes on, it fits properly, you know, nice, and you know, it's all nice and cleaned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. You know, as I said, I wet a part of it. I didn't wet the whole thing. I left some of it, most of it dry. You know, I just want to get a good wipe off all the stuff where it's going to be going. Go ahead and pull this, guys. Clean off your remote nice and clean. You know, always try to keep some clean equipment. Don't like to have messy equipment and stuff. Try to keep my stuff nice, you know. That's from when I first get it, when I first buy it, you know. As you can see, nice and clean. So you're going to want to go ahead and grab your skin. As you can see, this is for the remote. It's going to have some cutouts. It's going to have one for the power cord, for the power button. It's also going to have one for your 4 light indicators, and also right here for the nub. You know, it's going to have that. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of those now. Not even bother with those. Get those out the way. Make sure you just, you know, do a little layover, just so you can make sure, you know, everything looks like it fits, you know, nice and straight up.